Few days back, I ordered Samsung Galaxy S23 for a price of 58,000 rupees without any bank offers. But now its price has increased to 63,000 rupees. And if you are still interested in buying this smartphone, I will leave the link of this smartphone in my description and the pinned comment. So let's begin the video without wasting further more of your precious time. So I had ordered this from Amazon and now I will quickly open its outer wrap and take the smartphone out. So here is the smartphone. Let's open it up. And here you can see we have got two seals, one in the top and one at the bottom. Let's open these two as well. These seals are very weak. And here we go. And here is our smartphone. It's a very compact phone. Let's open up the screen guard and let's see what else we get in the box here. Here we get a cable. I have booted up the device and it's booting up, and this color is very beautiful. So the device has successfully booted up, so let me set the device up quickly. So the device has been successfully set up. Let me increase the brightness to maximum. This was it for today's video. If you want an in-depth review of this phone, please comment me in the comment section and I will definitely make that video for you. Thank you for watching this video.